Having access to homemade poultice could be the best way to ensure the ready supply of herbal remedies. And there are numerous ways you can benefit from having available herbal preparations for home remedies. If you are wondering how to make a poultice with Epsom salts, you will find value on the next slides. But first, let me talk about some of the benefits of a poultice. Benefits of poultice. When it comes to the safest homemade healing pastes you can trust, you can bet poultice to be useful in so many ways. And they include: helps with infection. You can find it to be useful in the treatment of bacterial infections. And recent studies suggest that those made of herbs, clay, or mud have a more potent effect on bacteria that cause many disease infection. It could serve as a treatment for rash, bumps, eczema, and others that scar the skin. You can also find it suitable for use as a dab for injuries to reduce the chances of infection. Treatment for arthritis. There is also the fact that you get a ready supply of herbal remedies for arthritis. The use of ginger with a mix of other herbs has been used for ages for helping with joint pain. So you can find it a useful addition to your recipe book if you know how to make a poultice for arthritis. That's if you occasionally suffer joint pain. There are many other treatment options available for coping with arthritis, so you could also check them out, as it could help to combine holistic treatment methods to get better results. Safe for diabetic ulcer. Since the 18th century, it has been rumored that you can find herbal preparations that can help with diabetic ulcers. This rumor still lingers on today, and you can find holistic medical practitioners who believe it has beneficial effects on diabetes in humans. Its usefulness in the treatment of infection and injuries could make it a good solution for dealing with digestive injuries. But there is still ongoing research to prove that claim. Still, you have nothing to lose if you decide to try it out. Helps with stress relief. Finding it hard to relax? You could try poultice therapy to help cope with stress. There is special preparation with herbs and essential oils that can help free up the muscle and joints. You can find those that include CBD in the mix to increase the potency. And this could be a good alternative if you want something to ease the stress. There are many other natural methods available for stress and anxiety relief, such as taking a cold bath or aromatherapy. Still, you want to try and cope better with stressful situations to improve your quality of life. How to make a poultice with Epsom salts. To make an Epsom salt compress at home for joint pain or help with other ailments. Just like with an Epsom salt bath, all that's required could be clean water and the salt's main ingredient. But that's not all you need to get the preparation right. You can check on the next slide for all that's required. What you will need to make Epsom salt poultice. Large bowl. Clean towel. A quarter cup of Epsom salt. 2 cups of hot water. Procedure. Fill the large bowl with the hot water. It is essential not to use boiling water to remove the beneficial compounds in the salt. Instead, let be enough to make the water germs-free to ensure a sterile preparation. Add in the Epsom salt and continue stirring to speed up the dissolution process. Without this, you could find tiny salt particles in the mix that can jeopardize the preparation. Once dissolved, soak the towel into the solution to ensure it absorbs it and squeeze out any excess water. Apply the towel to the affected area, pressing down to ensure the heat bears down into the skin pores. This is to ensure the Epsom salt gets into the body to speed up the healing process. You want to try as much to stretch and promote blood supply to the affected area so you can get better therapy. You can also help by massaging the affected area with the towel to ensure it bears deep into the skin tissue. Final note. Now you know the simple steps on how to make a poultice with Epsom salt. Getting an easy remedy for pain and other ailment is now at your fingertips. You can try one at home just to help with stress relief. It could also prove useful for many other reasons mentioned from the previous slides. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.